This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to diagostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 85 of Building the Ford GT. This issue we're continuing with the spark plug cables and distributor. After, of course, looking at the Ford Galaxy, or spelt funny, Galaxy, forerunner of the muscle car. Is it? Maybe, yeah. I mean, it's that sort of shape, but not exactly overly muscly. But yeah, lots of looking at that. Then yes, we've got in this one, we've got 5 cables. It's all we get in this. Well, 2 screws. We've got 4 long ones and 1 short one, which we need to add to our cap. The short one goes in the middle, nice and easy. And then we see about attaching that and indeed other cables to it. So let's get straight to it, because I think this might be another fiddly one. Right, this looks like this is going to be one of those fun, interesting parts of the build. I did get all 4 of those connected last time, and now we've got to do it all over again. But with 5, we've got 1 short one, which has to go into the middle, which you have to put on first, obviously. And once again, it's not going to go on easily. I'm going to have to heat it up and connect it up that way. I think it's the way I did the other ones. So I shall get all of these attached to this, and then we'll see about attaching that to that, and then we'll see about attaching the other ends, which are going to be just as much fun. Right, that's all of those attached. I took them all off and glued them all in place this time, because when I was putting them on, some of the others fell off. So now they are all attached. We've got 8 long ones and 1 somewhere in the middle there. Also 1. There we go. So this now attaches onto here using a single screwdriver to put in the single screw. That goes onto this post here with the cap inside the engine bay. A little bit like that. Just like that. I think. And then comes the more fun piece. Basically, we've got to route the 8 of these cables. Get that tightened up afterwards. The 8 of these cables need to come through and down and connect up into pieces. They're going to be a real pain to get into. Basically, we've got probably just about making out next to each of these large exhaust tubes, there is a post 1, 2, 3, and 4 on each side. So we need to separate these into sides and bring the 4 from this side out round through there and connect them up. Now again, I'm going to do this off camera and glue them in place to make sure that they stay. So I shall get that done, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's finished, and that will be the end of this part of the build, thankfully. Okay, there's no way I'm getting those onto the little nodules that I can only just see. I've even tried gluing them in place. I've even enlisted Katie to see where I can't see and get in there and do it. It's just not having it. So I am leaving it with them hanging down there in the right sort of general area. It's as good as I can get. I might come back and investigate closer when I can see better, but at the moment, that's as good as it gets. It's one of those, it's going to be shut up inside the kit anyway. I'm not overly worried about it. So it's a shame, but it's one of those things that it's not having it. I'm not going to spend hours and hours fighting with it to do it. So that is how I'm going to end this episode, on a bit of a downer, but we're okay, really. So there we have it. That's how it sort of looks. And yeah, that's it for now. Next week, we're doing some more tubes. Yay, I'm looking forward to it. So I shall see you for that in a couple of days. But other than that, thank you very much for watching. Do have a go at me in the comments and moan and tell me I should do it properly. But yeah, thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.